Welcome back. These are your current conditions in east central Illinois. For the most part, these are your highs for the day. 72 in Decatur and Champaign, 69 here right now on the campus of Eastern Illinois University. Current conditions include very low humidity, 23%, and that's an explanation of why we have no clouds, hardly any cloud evidence at all. We are looking, though, to western Missouri. We've been watching a low pressure system there, but I will tell you this, we are not anticipating that this low pressure system, and again, it's a weak system, will arrive in east central Illinois. Couple of reasons. The movement indicates probably passing through to the south of the viewing area. Also, there's a lot of dissipation with this very weak system. Now, what about April showers and all that? Well, we're in the middle of a dry spell. We have had an earlier dry spell that lasted 8 days from late January through early February. And then our last rainfall after a lot of rain in February and March and early April, our last rain was a ½ inch. Officially, that was back on April 5th. And for now, well, if the current conditions last through Friday, and we think they will, this would be our longest dry spell of the year at 9 days. Overnight tonight, we're expecting dry because we have no clouds. 48 degrees for the overnight low, and our overnight lows will begin to moderate. They'll be becoming a little bit warmer for the next few days. Let's take a look at tomorrow's temperatures. We're expecting highs near 72 degrees, a big warm up from sunrise at 6:22 to the noon hour, more than 20 degrees actually, and then it's a cap on that situation. It won't be moving much higher temperature-wise, basically topping out in the lower 70s. Now, as far as tomorrow's sky, clouds, hello. Hardly any, just a few very minor clouds running through. Taking a look at your midweek outlook, we go from 72 on Tuesday to 74 degrees and mostly sunny with a few clouds moving in on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, sunny and 75. It sounds like a country song. Yes, there was a country song with that title, Sunny and 75, sung by Joe Nichols, #1 on the country airplay charts. Let me move out of Joe's way. That was #1 in 2013, and he performed that song here at Bagel Fest in Coles County. Now let's take a look at your 7-day outlook, keeping in mind your average extremes for this time of year, a high of 66 and a low of 43. Well, we're jumping on it higher than average, both on the high and the low, on the top end and the bottom numbers, and we're doing so through Friday with no mention, we believe, no possibility of any rainfall. If we would have sprinkles, it would just be very brief. But then the clouds are picking up, and Saturday we do anticipate a good possibility for showers and even at that temperature, some thunderstorms. And then it'll cool off a little bit Sunday and Monday with high temperatures being a little bit lower than normal for this time of year. That's your 7-day outlook. That's your Skywatch forecast. Now back to the anchor desk.